Well, hello again, folks. More episodes of automotive drama. Um, Previous video showed you how to diagnose the cylinder to make sure the valves, the rings, the cylinder in general was in good shape. It had like 18% cylinder leakage, which is another thing I failed to mention in the last video. I didn't have to turn this motor over for that thing to... Normally you have to turn the motor over and get the valves closed for that tool to work right. I just plugged it in and it worked right. So kind of right off the bat, that's telling me that the lifters are stuck. I mean, this is the MDS system, P1417. Okay, let me show you an easy way after you pull the valve cover to check the lifters on the cylinders that you suspect. Simply take your little pry bar, you wedge it right in there. I hope I can do this one-handed. All right. Light pressure. You see how much that thing moved? Let's see if I get it one more time. Light pressure. Gotta get a nice wedge. Really hard to do this one-handed. Okay, ready? One more time. See how that thing's lifting? How much I'm able to lift that? If that lifter was any good and it wasn't disengaged, ain't no damn way I'd be able to do that. Here. Let's go to the next one. As you can see, it's bending the pry bar and it ain't moving. Now, the exhaust, very similar. I don't know if I can get a good video of this or not. It's going to be hard. Now, it moves just a little bit, just a tiny bit, but it still don't matter because they come in a set of 4, so the whole set has to be changed. But again, I mean, these idiots. Then this is the intake side. I wonder why it don't have compression. I don't know where he took this shop, but I see this all the time down here with these shops. These guys have no idea what they're doing. Look at that. I mean, and I'm barely touching it. I could do it with a little screwdriver. Just easier with that one. So, beware if somebody tells you if your car has an MDS system that you need an engine or the cylinder head is bad or the cylinder is bad or you need a motor or whatever they want to say. Because if they don't know how to check this right, they will misdiagnose this, and this will cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. This job's, I haven't figured it all out yet, but the labor it's really minimal because it's not really that hard to take apart. As you can see, I discharged the AC. It was just going to be in my way, and I got to pull the head. So I still haven't even drained the coolant. I didn't do anything until, except for move the harness out of my way, until I actually was able to check the lifters. And because I don't want to tear this thing apart and find out the lifters are bad, which I'm like 99% sure they are. And it obviously has the code, so the solenoid is probably good. It might not be, I don't know, but it's seeing that it ain't working properly. And I'm going to be there. They're original. They come in a pack of 4, changing all of them, so any future reference, I shouldn't have any issues unless the other side, the lifters, fail. Then I'll be pulling that side apart, changing the lifters, but I won't have to change the solenoids. Anyways, you like any of my videos, tune in for more. Stay tuned for more of how to tear this thing apart, how to put it back together, how the push rods go, etc., etc. There's a few things I need to point out. Anyways, you like any of the videos, please throw me a thumbs up. Subscribes are better. All right, thanks for tuning in, and have a good night, folks.